I need energy to do this job.
Yes, you do.
This is unreal. I just walked around the corner where Brother Ed took me, and I stepped in this room, and my feet are stuck to this pad. I cannot get them up. Oh my God. This thing would definitely catch a rat.
Oh, yeah.
It caught a human. It's called Breakfast with Love. They feed the homeless every single day, 7 days a week. And I'm here at 3:30 in the morning where I'm gonna catch my man Muhammad starting breakfast. Good morning, my friend.
Morning, how you doing? Come on in. Today will be grits, the butter and stuff, the eggs, but first thing first.
Okay, now my man Muhammad back here is just finishing up prepping everything and laying it out. 4 o'clock, George gets in here. Good.
No, it disappeared a little bit too quick. He might be in it.
So they just had some homeless guy come in here trying to force himself into the bathroom, lock the door. George had to get after him. George does not play no game. Reggie said that's not the first time that that's happened, but they take care of it. They said that they've called the police to come down here before, and sometimes they don't respond for hours and then ask about the disturbance later.
Red sweater and blue jeans.
And then 5:30, you said Bob gets here and Bob's gonna start cooking.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you gotta understand, Bob letting me in here is a privilege. He usually doesn't let anybody in the kitchen because he started letting people in to get a cup of coffee. Then all of a sudden they want to cook. They're standing right in front of the stove.
You don't let nothing start if you don't want it to finish. So that's where I got that mentality from, dealing with a lot of street men, keeping things strict, because my pastor was a military man, and I was a military man. And the best discipline was military. I was like a ramrod. You know what a ramrod is?
Ramrod? No.
You know, remember Clint Eastwood ramrod in
You said remember like I was around, and come on now, Bob.
that story still come on.
He comes from a military background, and he's been in here dealing with 25 clients at the same time. And when you got 25 street dudes in here, you got to keep the law strict. Good morning. Mary's in the house. This is Mary. Mary and Missionary Pierre, boss lady.
Expect that you bless to cook, sanctify the food, and cleanse it from all impurities if there be any. Bind us together, Lord, once again as a staff, that we can work together in peace, harmony, love, and respect one for another.
These are my lovely ladies in the kitchen. They prep the food, they get everything ready on the backside. Today we're actually kind of short volunteers. I thought it'd be a packed house, but they're working by themselves back here for the first time that I've seen them since I've been here. But they come in here 5 days a week and prep all, well, not prep the food, excuse me. I don't want to take Muhammad's job or Bob, but they serve the food and get it ready for them to bag and sort out.
Yes, this is what I do.
Mary, how long you been out here?
I've been out here since 6 this morning for almost 5 years.
And why do you keep coming out?
Because I enjoy giving, my time. And God bless me with my health and my strength to come out here.
They talk about bringing energy, but they bring energy every day. She's got a cheat code though. Missionary Pierre, she's got a couple drinks that help her bring the energy. She's got it double fisted in the morning. She got coffee in this hand, energy drink with the straw in this hand.
I need energy to do this job.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, call up mom and say, Mom, I'm all right. These people taking care of me down here. Put your jacket on, man. Seriously, it's cold out there. Okay.
Okay, so Missionary Pierre and all the people that were in here this morning are really through the church. So this location uses part of the church's building to push the food out, but it's ran through a separate entity called Greenlight. And we're gonna go talk to Jen, who's one of the two that are really ahead of this project here with Greenlight.
It's a calling. I'm drawn to it. I feel like I must. It's a responsibility for us to take care of one another as humans, and I love it. I also feel like my faith plays a big part in it.
Now, a few things to consider when you start volunteering. Number one, be about it. It's about the work. When you're travel volunteering, it's not about taking the selfies. Capturing the moment is cool, and if you want to remember the relationships or what you had while you were volunteering, take a photo or two, but remember, it's about the work. Be about it. One really cool thing that I found out today is that Muhammad actually used to live under the bridge, and he got involved with the Greenlight, giving out food with Breakfast with Love, because he was in line. He's had his own struggles, but he's used that to turn around and give back to the same people that are struggling like he used to be. I love that. That's inspirational. And even George used to live under the bridge. I don't know if he came and got food with Breakfast with Love or not, but he used to live under the bridge. And those are the people that we're feeding. All right, Bob, Muhammad, hold it down.
All right. See you on Sunday, right?
Yeah, Sunday.
For waking us up, Lord Jesus, and giving us a clean mind, Lord Jesus. We thank you for waking us up, Lord Jesus, and starting us on our way, Lord Jesus. We thank you for food on our table, Lord Jesus, and clothes on our back, Lord Jesus.
This is unreal. I just walked around the corner where Brother Ed took me, and I stepped in this room, and my feet are stuck to this pad. I cannot get them up. Oh my God. No. I just ripped it. No. What do I do?
Amen. So please call me Amen. The grandmother recorded so you all can get
My feet, and I was like, no. And I went like this, nothing.
Leave that track.
Oh, I know, but Brother Aaron took me back there, and I was like, okay, I guess we're going back then.
Hold that. Right there. Just don't, yeah.
This thing would definitely catch a rat.
Oh, yeah.
It caught a human.
But they done got away.
You got it off?
Man, you tore me
Yeah,
up.
that bedroom wasn't even open.
I ain't know I thought it was open, but
I walked around the corner and I was like,
I'm sorry, but I ain't been in that bathroom in years.
it's all good. It's all good.
Then get me some computer paper.
Shoot, I could mop the ground with these though if I walk around, you know.
She carried on today. Yeah, I'm putting a new soul on.
Nike doesn't have anything on Bob.
Lord have mercy.
Next time you're using silverware at an Airbnb, I just want you to think about this knife.